In this video, I'm going to show you how to view year-over-year growth in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money lets you track year-over-year growth using its reports and cash flow features, making it easier to see how your finances change over time. To start on desktop, go to the Reports tab and choose Spending. Switch to the bar chart view and enable the Change Over Time option. This will display your data across multiple years for easy comparison. Next, adjust the date range to include the years you want to compare, like this year versus last year. You can also group the data by category, merchant, or account to get more detailed insights. Hover over the chart to see exact values and percentage changes between periods. You can also use the Cash Flow tab and switch to a yearly view to see trends in your income, expenses, and savings over time. Using these tools helps you clearly understand your financial growth year over year. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.